Welcome to Nat Nook's Florals. Today we're going to be making a very tall, elegant centerpiece that I DIY'd this vase. I just took pieces of lace and overlaid them a little bit and sprayed lightly with some gold spray paint to kind of create just an interesting look to this tall vase. And then we will take this plastic container, you can get it at any Michael's or like Hobby Lobby. We'll put the floral foam oasis inside, put a little bit of hot glue up here, push it down, and then we'll build just up here at the top with all these flowers are from Trader Joe's. We'll use these peonies, which are really beautiful, that have kind of a yellowy centerpiece, like in here in the center. And so that will pull out some of the yellows that I picked up as well. And I'll have to adjust the camera angle so you can see exactly how I build at the top here. Okay, let's get started.